Hey guys, welcome to my new vlog, and in today's vlog I'll be showing you this a 60 rupees brush, or maybe I should say a cleaning brush. So ignore the dust and dirt here because I'm going to give it for servicing in about 2 weeks. So by the time I'm using my car, so this is like cleaning brush. I got it for 60 rupees in offer, but in general the price will be 100 rupees. So I don't know how useful it is, so we will just see in this video. It comes with a cover I have kept aside, so I'll show you here. So here you can see the dust particles accumulated, so I'll just wipe it and you can see yourself how it works. You see, kind of good. If you don't want to use microfiber cloth every time, this is also good option. So I'll just show you here also. See, now notice the dust particles. Now you see. So if you are putting around 60 to 70 rupees for this much of cleaning without getting any scratches, it is worth. It is definitely worth the price. See the difference here. So I will put the link below. If you are interested, you can purchase it. I will show you the demo again. So just see the difference. You can, I guess you are able to see. So in practical it is useful and it doesn't occupy much space. So you can definitely buy this product. It will not absorb the dust, but it will just wipe it off. So this is useful for short term. It is not recommended every time because the dirt will be inside your car. So in long term it is always recommended to use the vacuum, but in short term or everyday use you can just wipe it off. So that's all for today's video. See how small it is. So I'll just put the link below. If you want to purchase, you can use the link. So let me know if what else you want to see in my videos, like accessories or any functionality of the Skoda. So you can just comment and let me know. So till then, thank you. Take care.